Are you looking for the best handheld vacuums of 2025? A handheld vacuum is a must-have for quick and easy cleaning. Compact and powerful, it effortlessly tackles messes on furniture, carpets, and even in your car. Ideal for tight spaces, it's lightweight and convenient for daily use. Upgrade your cleaning routine today with a reliable handheld vacuum. So, let's get started. Number 5. Bissell AeroSlim Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Compact power for quick cleanups. This cordless handheld vacuum is a compact yet powerful cleaning tool designed to make quick cleanups easier than ever. With its cordless convenience, efficient performance, and user-friendly features, it's an ideal choice for busy individuals who need a portable solution for everyday messes. Key features: support for homeless pets. Every purchase of a Bissell product helps save pets, as Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, which is dedicated to helping homeless pets find loving homes. With a 0.1-liter dirt cup capacity and 3.7 volts of power, your purchase goes beyond cleaning. It also helps make a difference in the lives of animals. Cordless power. The Bissell AeroSlim is equipped with a lithium-ion battery that offers up to 12 minutes of cordless cleaning power. This short but effective runtime is perfect for quick cleanups around the house, in your car, or in your office. On-the-go cleaning. Thanks to its compact design, the AeroSlim is incredibly easy to store and charge, making it perfect for cleaning in tight spaces. It can be conveniently stored and used in your car, office, or anywhere you need fast access to a vacuum. Convenient storage and tools. This vacuum comes with a 2-in-1 crevice tool and dusting brush, which conveniently stored together with the hand vacuum on a single stand. This ensures that your cleaning tools are always organized and ready to go whenever you need them. USB charger. Charging the AeroSlim is simple and versatile, thanks to the included USB charging cable and standard charger. With a charging time of 2.5 to 3.5 hours, you'll have it ready for use in no time. The next is Number 4. Bissell Cordless Hand Vacuum. Perfect for pet owners and everyday cleaning. This cordless hand vacuum is a powerful, lightweight solution for cleaning up pet hair, dirt, and debris around your home and car. Designed for pet owners and everyday messes, it combines advanced features with the convenience of cordless operation, ensuring you have a reliable cleaning tool when you need it most. Key features: Buy Bissell, save pets. With every pet product purchase, Bissell donates up to $10 to the Bissell Pet Foundation upon activation. This means your purchase not only helps keep your home clean, but also supports animals in need. Motorized brush tool for embedded dirt and pet hair. The included motorized brush tool is designed to remove more embedded dirt, pet hair, and other stubborn debris from a variety of surfaces. Whether it's on furniture, carpets, or upholstery, this tool ensures a deeper clean. 14 volts lithium-ion battery. The vacuum is powered by a 14 volts lithium-ion battery that provides consistent lithium-powered cleaning. You can expect longer runtimes and quick recharging, making it an ideal choice for quick cleanups without frequent interruptions. Triple-level filtration. With triple-level filtration, the Bissell cordless hand vacuum improves overall cleaning performance by capturing dirt, dust, and allergens more effectively, ensuring a cleaner home environment. Large, easy-to-empty dirt bin. The vacuum features a large dirt bin that's simple to empty, making it easy to dispose of pet hair and other debris without hassle. Specialized pet tools. The vacuum comes with a set of specialized pet tools, including a motorized brush tool, an upholstery tool, and a crevice tool. These tools help tackle pet hair on furniture, clean tight corners, and address hard-to-reach areas. The next is Number 3. Shark Ultra Cyclone Handheld Vacuum. Power, portability, and performance. This handheld vacuum is designed to provide exceptional cleaning power in a compact, lightweight package. Whether you're tackling everyday messes or deep cleaning tasks, this vacuum offers a range of features to make the job easier. Key features: 2 ultra-powerful cyclonic airstreams. The Shark Ultra Cyclone uses 2 cyclonic airstreams, delivering incredible suction power. This ensures thorough cleaning and extends the lifespan of both the filter and motor, providing long-lasting performance. XL Dust Cup. With its extra-large dust cup, this vacuum can handle bigger messes without needing constant emptying. It's perfect for cleaning larger spaces or multiple areas in one go. Lightweight and portable, weighing just 2.2 pounds, the Shark Ultra Cyclone is easy to maneuver, making it perfect for quick cleanups and accessible for users of all ages. Washable filter. Cleanup is made easy with the vacuum's washable filter. Simply rinse it out to maintain suction power and ensure the vacuum runs smoothly for years. Clean Touch Dirt Ejector. One of the most convenient features of this vacuum is the Clean Touch Dirt Ejector, which allows for hands-free debris disposal, preventing dust and dirt from touching your hands. Lithium-ion technology. Equipped with lithium-ion technology, the Shark Ultra Cyclone ensures consistent and reliable performance every time, so you can count on it for powerful cleaning when needed most. Accessories included. The vacuum comes with a crevice tool and a scrubbing brush, perfect for cleaning hard-to-reach areas and removing stubborn dirt. The next is Number 2. Black+Decker Handheld Vacuum. High power and convenience in one. The Black+Decker Handheld Vacuum is a versatile and powerful tool designed to tackle messes both at home and in your car. Combining advanced features with ease of use, it offers a complete cleaning solution in a compact, portable form. Key features. Optimal performance. Powered by a 20 volts mixture lithium-ion battery, this vacuum delivers impressive suction power for effective cleaning. Whether you're dealing with crumbs on the couch or dirt in your car, the Black+Decker handheld vacuum ensures excellent performance every time. Cordless convenience. The cordless design allows for greater flexibility and portability, making it easy to clean various areas without the hassle of a cord. Its lightweight build further enhances ease of use, making it ideal for quick cleanups around the house and in tight spaces like your vehicle. Power Boost Mode. For those tougher messes, the vacuum features a Power Boost mode that provides a burst of extra suction with just the touch of a button, ensuring that even the most stubborn debris is removed effortlessly. Built-in accessory, XL Extendable Crevice Tool. The vacuum comes equipped with an XL Extendable Crevice Tool, perfect for cleaning hard-to-reach areas like between couch cushions, along baseboards, or in your car's seat cracks. Anti-Tangle Motorized Pet Brush. Pet owners will love the Anti-Tangle Motorized Pet Brush. Featuring rubber bristles, it's designed to lift stubborn pet hair and debris, ensuring that even the most embedded dirt is effectively removed. The next is Number 1. Shark WV201 Handheld Vacuum. Power and portability in one compact design. This handheld vacuum combines powerful suction with a lightweight design, making it the perfect tool for quick and efficient cleanups. Whether you're tackling dirt in your car or cleaning up everyday messes around the house, this versatile vacuum delivers exceptional performance. Key features. Powerful cordless suction. The Shark WV201 is equipped with a high-speed brushless motor that offers impressive suction power, ensuring a thorough clean every time. It has a dust cup capacity of 0.08 quarts and is designed for use on carpets, with a cleaning path width of 3.35 inches and a motor rating of 10.6 amps. Ultra lightweight, weighing only 1.4 pounds. The Shark WV201 is designed for ultimate maneuverability and easy handling. Easy to maintain. Maintenance is hassle-free with the detachable dust cup and removable filter housing. Emptying and cleaning the vacuum is quick and simple, ensuring optimal performance with minimal effort. Filtration technology. The Shark WV201 features advanced filtration technology that captures dust, debris, and even larger particles. This ensures that your home stays clean and free from allergens. Always charging. The sleek charging dock is designed for quick and convenient access, providing fast charging so your vacuum is always ready when you need it. One-Touch Empty. With the One-Touch Empty feature, you can easily empty the debris bin with a single button press, keeping your hands clean and mess-free. LED indicator. The LED light on the control panel indicates the vacuum's charging status and remaining battery life, so you're always informed about when it's ready for use. So this is the best option for you to buy.